Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we explore the wildest rides ever made. And today you're about to see something that doesn't even sound real. Bugatti just built a motorhome faster than a supercar. And trust me, this machine will leave you speechless. Imagine a rolling palace on wheels with the heart of a beast that can outrun sports cars on the highway. That's exactly what the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is all about. From the outside, it looks like a futuristic mansion on wheels. The front wears Bugatti's iconic grille, sculpted aerodynamic lines, and carbon fiber details that make it stand out anywhere it goes. It's aggressive, it's elegant, and it's pure Bugatti. Inside is where luxury meets technology. The living space feels like stepping into a penthouse suite. Plush, leather seating, panoramic windows, and a massive smart screen that turns movie nights into a full cinematic experience. Everything feels handcrafted and futuristic at the same time. The kitchen is not just a cooking space. It's designed like a gourmet chef's setup. Smart appliances, sleek counters, hidden storage, and finishes that make you forget you're even in a motorhome. You could prepare a 5-star meal while the world flies past outside. The bedroom gives you the comfort of a luxury hotel. Soft king-size bed, mood lighting, and seamless storage that keeps the space open and elegant. The bathroom is like a private spa, with a rainfall shower, LED mirrors, and finishes that scream exclusivity. And then comes the part that makes this motorhome a Bugatti, the power. Underneath sits a re-engineered, quad-turbocharged W16 engine that delivers insane acceleration and top speeds no RV has ever dreamed of. This isn't just traveling in style. It's traveling with supercar performance built into your home on wheels. Every mile in this Bugatti motorhome is a statement. It's not just about where you're going. It's about how you get there. With more power, more prestige, and more luxury than anything else on the road. So the question is, would you trade your house for this Bugatti masterpiece that lets you live anywhere and outrun almost anything? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insane rides here on Auto Plus.